In the digital age, content is king, and businesses are constantly seeking high-quality, engaging content to connect with their target audience. Starting a content creation agency can be a lucrative venture for individuals with a passion for creativity and a keen understanding of digital marketing. This video will provide a practical and detailed guide on how to embark on this entrepreneurial journey. Step 1. Define your niche and services. Begin by identifying your niche and the specific services your agency will offer. Whether it's video production, blog writing, social media management, or a combination of these, having a clear focus will help you target the right clients and differentiate your agency in a crowded market. Understand the needs of your target audience and tailor your services accordingly. Research competitors to identify gaps in the market and opportunities for innovation. Step 2. Build a strong online presence. Establishing a robust online presence is crucial for any content creation agency. Develop a professional website that showcases your portfolio, highlights your services, and provides a clear way for potential clients to contact you. Leverage social media platforms to promote your agency, share examples of your work, and engage with your audience. Utilize content marketing strategies to demonstrate your expertise in the field and attract potential clients through blog posts, infographics, and other relevant content. Step 3. Assemble a talented team. Success in the content creation industry often relies on the talent within your team. Recruit skilled professionals with expertise in different aspects of content creation, such as writers, graphic designers, videographers, and social media managers. Foster a collaborative and creative work environment to encourage innovation. Clearly define roles and responsibilities within your team to ensure a smooth workflow. Consider freelancers or contractors if your agency is just starting, and scale up as your client base grows. Step 4. Develop a pricing strategy. Determine a competitive yet profitable pricing strategy for your services. Consider factors such as the complexity of the project, the level of expertise required, and the time investment. Offer different packages to cater to the diverse needs of your clients. Be transparent about your pricing structure on your website, and consider providing customized quotes based on individual client requirements. Regularly review and adjust your pricing strategy to stay competitive and reflect changes in the market. Step 5. Prioritize client relationships and deliver quality work. Client satisfaction is paramount in the content creation industry. Communicate effectively with your clients, understand their goals, and provide regular updates on project progress. Deliver high-quality work consistently to build a positive reputation and secure repeat business. Encourage client feedback and use it to continually improve your services. Establishing strong client relationships can lead to referrals and long-term partnerships, contributing to the sustained success of your content creation agency. In conclusion, launching a content creation agency requires a combination of strategic planning, effective team management, and a commitment to delivering exceptional value to clients. By defining your niche, building a strong online presence, assembling a talented team, developing a pricing strategy, and prioritizing client relationships, you can position your agency for success in the dynamic and competitive world of content creation.